Hi Geminis, how you guys doing? I hope you all are happy, healthy and safe, following the rules and guidelines of the government. One important thing guys is that if you want to book one-on-one personal reading with me related to career, relationship, situationship, the details are given in the description box below. The second most important thing guys is that if you wish to donate, the details are given in the description box below. If you want to have a same day reading, I am charging 200 USD. The details are given in the description box below. And the third most important thing, if you want to enroll for our 10 days tarot learning workshop and 15 days numerology workshop, the details are given in the description box below. Okay, so let's check it out. What's going on with Geminis? What's going on with Geminis? This is the reading for October 2020. Okay, so let's check it out. What's going on with it? Okay. So what are you going through in the month of, okay, sorry, that's the cover. Okay, what will are you going through in the month of October? So okay, so you won't be having a stuck energy in the month of October. Okay, you won't be stagnant. You will be ready to move forward in life. You will be moving here and there. You won't be having stuck energy or stagnant energy in the month of October. Okay, if you follow the present plan, what will be the likely outcome? If you follow the stagnant plan, what will be the likely outcome? Okay, so guys, for few of you, whatever waiting game you were going through, okay, that waiting game will be over in the month of October for you, and you won't be feeling bad. But if you have some financial problem, Geminis, and if you are waiting for some money to recover, so you will be waiting in the month of October when it comes to finances or money related thing. But in a relationship, you will be unstagnant. That waiting game is about to get over, and you will be no more disappointed in the month of October. Okay, the next question is one card for health, relationship and career. One card for health, relationship and career. Okay, so two popped out. Okay, so there will be few issues when it comes to health, relationship or career. Like you will be having stuck energy when it comes to, for few of you. Okay, so there are three energies I am seeking. The first 20% of the people will be unstagnant. There will be no more stuck energy for them into the month of October. For other 20 of you, you will be having stagnant energy, waiting for money to recover, or will be waiting for someone to come towards you. Okay, the third type of energy is the people who just want to move forward but feeling blocked. Okay, or won't be able to move forward, want to move forward but won't be able to, because those are universal energies. So universe is creating a blockage for you, Geminis. Okay, and some of you are going through some major healing which has been blocked because you are not allowing it to happen, because you are not detaching yourself from something or someone, and that's why the proper healing is not taking place. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so what you need to focus on to improve the current situation? What you need to focus on to improve the current situation? You have to end the tensions, betrayals, problems. You have to end something. There's an ending in a relationship is happening, either in career or in relationship. Okay, so endings and new beginnings are on the horizon. Okay, ending of emotional pain, stagnant energy or anything, and new beginnings are happening either into the same relationship or with a new person. Okay, for few of you, and someone is coming towards you with an offer of love. You will be taking an action towards moving forward when it comes to your career life, and in love, when someone is coming towards you with an offer of love or a cup of love. Okay, and a stagnant energy or that betrayal, dishonesty, problems are about to get end into your life in the month of October. Okay, Geminis. Okay, next question. Okay, next question is, okay, so you need to focus on ending the things and taking an action towards something or someone. Okay, so yeah. Okay, the next is what what are his or her feelings towards you? What are your partner's feelings towards you? Oh, okay, they are waiting for some sort of text message, email, or communication. They are waiting to communicate to you. Okay, so your person is waiting for you to take an action towards you. Okay, like he's waiting, and he or she is waiting for you, Geminians, to come towards them. Okay, to go towards them. Okay, that's the thing. Next, what are your hopes and fears? What are your hopes and fears? What are your hopes and fears? Okay, your hope and fear is, Geminis, your hope is that you will be into your own power, you will be leading your way. Okay, you will do whatever you like, you want. Okay, but this is also comes under fear. That means that you have a fear somewhere to lose people or to lose career or something like that. You should not, even if you are into your leadership quality or leadership role. Okay, you have certain sort of fear that you should not be able to lose yourself when it comes to your leadership quality. Okay, because of your this character or this nature, you should not be able to lose others or lose things. Okay, so you have fear also at the same time. Okay, being into your own leadership quality, but at the same time having a fear to lose people, certain things, or certain connections, or certain money related things. It can be anything, either career or relationship. Okay, so yeah. Next question, what will be the likely outcome in the month of October? What will be the likely outcome in the month of October? What will be the likely outcome in the month of October? What will be the likely outcome in the month of October? What will be the likely outcome in the month of October? What? Wow, two cards fallen down. Let me pick it up. Okay. So the outcome is, there will be third party situation. You will be indecisive, highly indecisive when it comes to taking certain decisions. You won't be able to take certain decision. You will be indecisive, and for few of you there will be third party situation involved, and that decision will be related to a third party situation. Okay, and for others of you, you will be feeling stagnant in the month of October, Geminis. Like there is an action which needs to take place. You need to leave past behind and you need to move forward, but you won't be able to do so because you will be indecisive when it comes to certain decisions, certain actions. Okay, you won't be able to take any action. You will be very uncertain when it comes to certain decision making in the month of October, and that's the blockage in the month of October for you. Okay, so yeah. Okay, let's check. Okay, let's check. Okay, so there is an adventure waiting for you. You need to go to an adventure, or you need to explore, you need to travel in the month of October. You're waiting for it, you're planning for it, but it's not happening. There's definitely, for few of you, third party situation is involved and you feel disappointed being in a third party situation, Geminians. Okay, so certain decisions you might have to make in the month of October, but you will not, because you will be uncertain when it comes to your decision making. Okay, you'll be just indecisive, and you won't be able to leave the past behind. You will be still stuck, you will be still stagnant, or you will be still you'll be having a stuck energy when it comes to certain relationship. Be open to the universal things. Okay, you are receiving a lot of dreams, universal messages at the same time, so be receptive for the same. Okay, you are about to receive a major miracle into your life. A major spiritual awakening is happening for you, which is very good. Okay, so there is imbalance between your heart and your mind, okay, like between internal world and outside world, which is, you know, making you disappointed at the same time, and that's the problem. Okay, universal message. You have a very stuck energy, Geminis. Okay, you have a very stuck energy in the month of October. I think, you know, this story, you know, belongs to 10 to 20% of the people, or majority of the people, 80% of the people who are feeling stagnant, and there is third party situation. I don't know why, but I'm getting this third party situation feeling very much. Okay, so, you know, there will be few secrets in the month of October which will be revealed to you, and there will be some few hidden secrets, hidden truths, okay, which will be revealed to you. So just be careful about it in the month of October. Okay, financial constraints, whatever problems you were having financially, okay, there is some issues will be going on in the month of October when it comes to financial stability. And for few of you, I think, you know, whatever financial constraints you were having from last few months, okay, so those problems are about to get solved, okay, financially. So problems are about to improve, okay. So financial stability is on the horizon for you in the month of October, okay, and that's a beautiful part, and it will help you to build up your own stability. Okay, so October will be the time for taking action. Okay, someone is waiting for you, that is what I said, and you have to take an action about something. Okay, so you will be you know, I think your partner will be appreciating you a lot in the month of October, or he'll be, you know, understanding your value in the month of October, and there will be a balance of money related stuff in the month of October. So a lot of, you know, financial balance will be on the horizon for you, which is very good. So let's check it out. What are the universal messages for the same? Universal messages for the same. The first one, the second one, the third one, and last two universal. Okay, the first universal message for you is, my energy creates my reality. What I focus on is what I will manifest. So whatever you are thinking, wishing, hoping and believing for, that will be manifested into your life. The second is, true healing occurs when I give myself permission to feel whatever feelings live below the triggers. Yeah, so if you are, you know, blocking your healing part, okay, you need to understand that true healing occurs when I give myself permission to feel whatever feelings live below the trigger. So accept the flaws, accept the things which you cannot accept for yourself or for a particular situation, okay, that because you are blocking your healing, and that's what I feel. You should not, okay. The third message is, I am unapologetic about what I desire and trust that what I focus on will grow. Okay, so this is good. Whatever you are focusing on, it will grow definitely. Next universal message, when I think I have surrendered, I surrender more. So if you were not surrendering before, okay, to the universe, then you will be able to surrender more. I choose love no matter what. That is what you are doing in the month of October. Okay, so yeah, major 80% of the people are dealing with the third party situation or stagnant energy for sure. I'm getting that spiritual message, okay. And yeah, this situation is for 80% of the people out there. So whatever situation you are going through, your archangel for the October month is Archangel Raziel. His message for you is, I have a deep understanding for myself and the circles of life around me. I am aligned with the divine. I'm profoundly charismatic and extremely intuitive. I clearly comprehend the details of everything that is said before me. I feel perfectly empowered. Okay, so do not avoid the message. Trust your intuition level, because I feel that your intuition level is getting higher, higher, higher every single day. Okay, so your question is, are you finding that life is out of control? Do you need to sort out exactly what's going on to get to the reason for the chaos? The message for you is, take the time to go within and call on the ascended masters, spirit guides and angels to provide you with the inspiration you need to transform your life. Okay, so spirits are helping you, divine is helping you out to make the transformation. Okay, and if you are creating blockage, it will not happen, so allow it to happen and take the help of the spirit guides. Okay, if you feel problems. So the gemstone for the month of October is charoite, charoite. Okay, so it looks like that, and you can google it. Okay, so yeah, so this was for the reading for the month of October 2020 for Geminis. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonated with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. Kindly comment down below how was it, and kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Soul Tarot Prediction. Okay guys, thank you so much guys. Bye bye, take care.